What's up, everyone? This is Zach with ZMJ coming to you live. Uh, I got a comment a little bit ago, and it kind of struck me it hit me in the heart, and I felt for the person, and I wanted to do whatever I could to find a solution to their problem. And the problem is this person was old, and they have arthritis, and they couldn't pull the trigger on their brand new Avera. Broke my heart. They said they'd have to return it because it was just too much to pull. And I get it, because I'm starting to get arthritis in certain places from injuries, like my thumb and whatever, and it'll dislocate and I'll have trouble opening things. And I get it. I totally understand. So I wanted to reach out with this video to show people that are looking for an arthritis friendly gun. Okay, and most of the pistols, if they still sold these would be great. I would say get one of these, and you can get one of these. Go to eBay and you can get a 1200 used for about 80 bucks. And they are absolutely arthritis friendly. There's not really a whole lot that could cause you stress on your hand. The Avera, on the other hand, you're rotating a cylinder with the mechanism, and you have to. It's a lot on your finger. I think the trigger pull's like 7 or 9 pounds or something. It's outrageous. These are like 1 or 2 pounds or something. Okay, you want a really light trigger. So, the only thing I could think of is the revolvers, because they have a 2-stage trigger. So I'm going to do the video on the revolvers, and pretty much all of them will work. But some of them just are more attractive and desirable than the other ones. Like if you get the Vigilante or the Gamma or any of the other ones, you're going to get a revolver click like this. Oh, hold on, take it off. You see, it's not very attractive. It's really, I don't know, it's not even I mean, it's mechanical, but it sounds just loose. But the reason why I say is because whenever you have the second stage, it's just a quick, like 1 or 2 pounds, and you can pull the trigger. Now, the reason why I'm saying desirable is because that noise is kind of just undesirable. When you're having fun with a gun, you want to have fun with the whole gun, the sound, the action, the way it shoots, everything about it you want to love. You want to hear the pop that you like. You want to feel the trigger pull that you like. You want it to hit where you want it to hit, and you want it to have the power that you want it to have. I mean, it could be weak and be accurate and not have the power that you want, and that just doesn't fill the bubble. You want 4 out of 4 stars. So here's what we're going with. If you want action, something that's very attractive to shoot. Now, this is an exact replica of a Peacemaker. This is as close as you're going to get to an actual Peacemaker without buying a Peacemaker. And it's 2-stage action, or single action? Yeah, it's a single action revolver. And there is nothing more attractive than, I don't know if you can hear it very well. That is just something about that just really, I mean, if you're a gun guy, that sound, it's like, that's just smooth action, precision machining. It's every shot is attractive. And you feel like Wyatt Earp. The weight's right. I'd say the trigger pull is about, oh geez, if it's a pound. If it's a pound, I mean, I'm just barely, I say 8 ounce. That's an 8 ounce trigger. Yeah, definitely an 8 ounce trigger. And this one, I'll say that is I don't know, 2 or 3 pound trigger. It's still light, but it's nowhere near as light as a Peacemaker. If you don't have a Peacemaker, go out and get you one. You can get them custom built with gold, or black gold and black and you can do whatever you want. You pearl handle, wood handle, black handle. If that's your jollies. If you were really looking for an Avera, I will do my best to find another target pistol with a light trigger. And anybody that watches my channel and any of the other channels, do me a favor. If you guys know of a gun, a target pistol with a light trigger that, you know, somewhat replicates the Avera, do a video on it for us. Let us know. I think I find it very unique and a good subject that somebody with, you know, trigger pulling problems wants to have fun but can't. It's like somebody that wants to drive a car but can't. You know, you're going to do everything you can so that they can drive a car or so they can have fun. So if you don't own any of these revolvers, I do suggest them. I mean, this one more than this one, but this one is definitely, you know, $60, $70 more than this one. In fact, I've got my eye on the, what is it called? Something of Aces. Oh, gosh. It's the new version of this. It's got a black barrel with a compensator on the end. It's short. It's beautiful. Anyway, I recommend that one. It's coming out. It's special order in about 3 weeks. So go check it out at Pyramid Air if you're interested. But I think that's going to be the plinking video for tonight. If I come up with something else, I will actually do a shooting video later for something else. Or if you want to see these shoot, let me know. I mean, I did do a video on this one shooting. It's uploading right now, but my phone's messed up, so it's taking a while. I'm low on data. If you want to see this one shooting the accuracy and all that, I can do that. Just to, you know, give you an idea of what you're gonna buy if you're curious about it. So, like, subscribe. Leave comments down below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for your likes, your comments. You guys are making the channel grow so fast. It's ridiculous. And I would like to return the favor someday. So if you guys help me get there, I will return the favor. I mean, I might even do just random giveaways just without even doing a raffle. So you might just end up with a gun in the mail one day. Who knows? So, give me a shout, like, subscribe. Love you guys. Talk to you later. Peace.